What's going on, guys? So today I am out here in Hershey, Pennsylvania at the Hershey RV Show, America's largest RV show. We're going to take a look at this absolutely beautiful brand new 2024 DRV mobile suite. This thing is huge. Now this is like longer than toy hauler length, but it's not a toy hauler, which means they've packed a ton of stuff into this RV and you're definitely going to want to check it out. Hang tight, I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm going to quickly go over this little sign you see in front of me because you kind of have to look at what they're doing because I may miss some of this as we go through it, and I want to make sure I at least show you some of this. So they use a 1/4-inch foam core vapor barrier, frameless dual pane windows, enclosed sealed underbelly, of course, that's all pretty common. Low profile duct air conditioning systems. It says dual duct ACs, but I think this unit has 3 ACs. 25 cubic foot refrigerator, don't really worry about that. This is a big one, copper water manifold system. You typically don't see that. It's going to have a sea level sonar tank sensors as well. This has the 17.5 inch Goodyear H-rated tires, Kodiak disc brakes, 8,000 pound heavy duty axles, and MORryde independent suspension on the mobile suites like this one. Triple stacked 15-inch frame, so it's going to have a crazy frame, which I'll show you when we get over to that. 3 1/4-inch thick sidewalls. Glued and screwed aluminum frame structure, 3.52, yeah, the sidewalls, 5/8 tongue and groove plywood floors, and 1/2-inch plywood roof. Very, very cool. Of course, this thing is approved for full timing. Let's take a look at the numbers real quick on this unit. Okay, so this is a full body paint unit. It has full body paint on the sides, and the side out slot of the slides are also painted, just not with the stripes going through them. It's going to have a gross vehicle weight rating of 24,000 pounds. This thing is heavy. It's going to have a cargo capacity of 2,820 pounds, and it's going to ride on 17.5-inch H-rated tires. This thing is an absolute beast. 8,000 pound axles. This has the Lippert level up hydraulic leveling system on it, and this frame is specifically designed for that as well, so it's not just like a typical add-on. Let's hop inside of this and then we'll see what the inside's about, and we'll come back out. And this is the DRV Mobile Suite Orlando. Okay. Stepping up the MORryde step above steps. Okay, as we walk through here, one of the things I want to kind of point out now so I don't forget later is the use of all hardwood cabinetry. So everything is hardwood cabinetry, it's all real wood. The light tones in here, the color tones in here are actually pretty nice, lighter than typical. And you know, usually I'm not a big fan of the color of the inside of DRVs, but this one's actually pretty nice looking. You have all your controls here behind this door. We'll have it open. A nice cloth seat here, and this is a reclining seat, so it is theater seating. Over here you have wall switch, charger, and a light switch right here. You have some more light switches here. I can actually turn on most of the lights in here because there's solar on top of the roof. Now, I don't know exactly how much solar is on here, but assuming quite a bit. And here are your light switches. Okay, you have your TV mounted in place. It is an Insignia TV. You have your panoramic fireplace over here. Huge island. Just kind of take a look at the space right here. You have a mid-living room with the kitchen kind of behind it, and your seating gives you really, really good visibility to see the TV, which is really nice. You have cabinetry all above it, and it is soft closing, I'm sure. Over here, check out the trim work they've done here on the island. Very dimensional. You have your dishwasher right here as well. Dual basin farm style sink, beautiful, nice upgraded faucet. Insignia residential 4-burner cooktop with oven. Nice full extending drawers, all soft closing. Nice cabinetry, all soft closing. You have a convection Insignia microwave, which is really nice. Tons of space on each side of your stove for prepping, which is also really nice. All insulated windows. Over here, more cabinetry, a lot of pantry space, and I love it when you see things like this. Just pull out drawers are super, super convenient, and they put them everywhere, especially up here where there's no way you're going to reach back there. So being able to pull things out gives you the ability to reach your cereal boxes, things like that. I do wish that they would have extended all the way to the back though. There's still probably 5 or 6 inches of space in the back. Again, huge drawers. There's storage, yep, storage on the side here. Storage in the center. And these are electronic seats as well with USB. This has an Insignia residential refrigerator. Very nice. I love this thing that they use to keep the door closed. You basically pop it in and the doors won't open. Very nice. Beautiful island. This is all going to be backlit as well with LED lighting. Alright, let's check out the bedroom. King size bed. Nice and low so it's easy to get on. Mattress actually has some weight to it, so it's probably a quality mattress. You can tell because it's heavy when you want to lift up this bottom storage. They give you a safe over here, which is really nice. Nice strut arms holding it up. You have wireless charging on this side, but you don't over here. You can probably fit a CPAP. You have nice dimmer switches here as well. Blackout shades as well as your cabinets above there. This does have 3 AC units in it and they're all whisper quiet. You have your TV mounted real nice and high over here. You have a lot of headroom in here. It's probably 8 feet or more, probably closer to 8.5 feet worth of headroom in here. Lots of wardrobe storage. Again, all soft closing, all residential quality cabinets. If you're wondering what you heard, it's just these little magnetic holds releasing. You have a nice solid surface right here. Drawers beneath, all soft closing as well. All right, coming into the bathroom. Porcelain foot flush toilet, max air fan control, all your light switches, insulated windows. Nice storage over here, more storage next to the sink. And then over here you have a beautiful, beautiful porcelain sink. And then you have plenty of room on each side of it as well. Plus the mirror itself has a cool little glowing surround to it, or it's lit up. More storage there. Little drawers here. Nice encore shower. Yeah, you could be upwards of 8 feet tall and fit in the shower without any issue. Really nice slide arm over here. It would have been nice to see one of those more, upgraded faucet or shower sprayers that have the multi-heads on it. That would have been kind of cool, especially on a unit at this price range and caliber. All right. Coming back out. Let's work our way to the front of this unit, which I can only suspect has a second bedroom. Alright. Alright, stepping into the bathroom first. I don't know where the light switch is for the bathroom. It might actually be outside of here. Yep, the light switch is somewhere around here. I mean, if it's right here, yeah, you have to walk all the way into the bathroom to get to the light switch, which I don't think is ideal. You have a sink here. This is only a half bath. You have a spot for your washer and dryer in here. Stackable unit. Again, porcelain foot flush toilet. All insulated windows. MCD brand day-night roller shades, which are your high roller shades. Check this out. So this was not expected. This is super cool. So you have a bunk here. You have a bunk there. You have this huge space right here for a desk. So if you have your family with you and they need to do homework, this is amazing. I mean, this is an awesome, awesome space. It took a really, really huge fifth wheel to turn it into this, but check that out. That is a full desk complete with power. If you're a couple and you're working from this space, you can even use this for 2 offices or 1 big office space. You got plenty of storage space under here. Let me turn the lights on in here so you can see a little bit better. But just check this out. This is super cool what they've done. It is a full office front bunk area, and it's huge. You could easily fit larger, taller kids in these bunk areas. And it has its own TV right here, plus tons of wardrobe, tons of drawers, cabinetry. This is a phenomenal floor plan. I've yet to see a fifth wheel that can pull off what this one's done at this caliber. This is super, super cool. Game changing, really is. Wow, I'm going to see if they'll let me tag this unit with one of my stickers, because if you're here at the show and you have a big family and you're looking for a really, really nice luxury fifth wheel that can hold the whole family with a lot of full-time capabilities of thick sidewalls, all of that, this is the one you might want to look at. Let's step outside and see what the outside of this unit's all about. Okay, so now we're going to start from the front and work our way back from the outside. This has the MORryde rubber pin box on it. It's a good pin box. It provides a lot of dampening and movement if you want to reduce the amount of chucking between the truck and the trailer and the truck. Let me open up this front storage. A lot of storage in here. This is where your generator might normally live. And this is where your battery is going to be. tray pulls out. You can definitely add 2 more batteries there. There's your hydraulics for your level up hydraulic leveling system. Coming around to the side, this hatch is locked. This is the outside of your furnace. Beautiful, beautiful paint job on this thing as well. And then looking at it from the side, check this out. You have disc brakes on it. You have a 15-inch triple boxed frame. So you have 2 6-inch sections, you have a 3-inch section and a 2-inch section. And then this one rides on the independent suspension system as well. It is a crazy suspension system, crazy frame structure, and it has the Goodyear G114 tires on it, which are your super high-end H-rated Goodyear tires. And your spares right over there on that really cool BAL holder that lets you just kind of drag your tire out without too much effort. I'm not 100% sure why they run cable-driven slides on any of the slide-out boxes, but you know, DRVs are known to be pretty dang good units, so obviously it's a smaller slide-out and it works well for them. Coming around here, you got some underbelly storage, and this is all locked up right now, or I'd open it for you, but it's just storage that expands underneath the bedroom area and the bathroom area. You have a 2-inch receiver on the back with chain loops and a 7-way connector. These are designed to tow. I do not know what the maximum tow numbers are on it, but I think it's 5,000 pounds and then 500-pound hitch weight. All LED lighting. Does have a full walk-on roof, and I believe this one may have the full fiberglass roof. It's hard to tell. Again, here's access to that storage underneath as well. 50-amp power cord is there in the back, and you have an electric power reel in there also. Over here is the other side of your suspension. Rack and pinion frame back here. And then up front, it's going to have a cable-driven slide for the wardrobe slide up here. Here's your Suburban on-demand water heating system. And this will drop down. This is your water connection port. So you can flush everything out in here. So you have both gray and black tank flush on this unit, which is really nice. This is also, again, going to have a copper water manifold system inside of it. It's usually behind this wall. There it is. Check that out. So you have individual control over all your water, where it goes to. You can shut it off, turn it on if you need to. There's a heat ducting that ducts into this area to prevent it from freezing as well. Very, very cool. And then this is your Lippert One control system to be able to control everything. You can do it from the app or from the control panel. And then you'll have another 40-pound propane tank on this side. So you have 2 40-pound propane tanks in this unit. What do you guys think? This thing is an absolute beast. Definitely have to say best in class in terms of large fifth wheels because of the that front space. That bunkhouse is revolutionary. It's something you typically don't see on something like this. Anyways, guys, I sure hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't had a chance, could you please take a moment, subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and we'll talk to you again very soon.